Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana, one of the more interesting coins at the moment, I think, because it is getting close to completion here, close to the finish line in my opinion, of this overall correction. We're tracking this B wave to the downside, which could result in a C wave rally, which could be quite substantial, getting sort of into the $40 to $50 region. However, I am very careful at the moment with bullish projections because first of all these corrections need to be finished. And while the wave count is technically full, I explained that to you in the previous video, I prefer still at the moment one more low, especially looking at the microstructures that are evolving and the fact that it's just consolidating again and still below resistance. So I'm still not happy to call a low in, it's taking it level by level. So we continue to expect another low, even though it hasn't been made yet. So yeah, we're still forecasting further downside at the moment. However, very open at this stage towards a trend shift. And today a lot can happen. I mean, it's CPI day. Yeah, if volatility kicks off, if we see some very positive inflation numbers, I don't think, however, they should deviate too much from the forecasted ones. But if anything unexpected happens that is super positive, yeah, for the crypto market, then it can absolutely go. I'm very open to it. The bottom could be in because we've had already a complete wave count to the downside, and we reached the target range that was communicated many weeks ago between $17 and $17.90. So I just want to express that, be ready, things can happen here. But again, from an analysis point of view, I cannot confirm that a low is in until we see a first relevant structure that breaks above resistance. And therefore, and also because we are still caught in the descending wedge, it is expected to just follow it at the moment. Yeah, pay attention to the trend line. Pay attention to resistance I gave you yesterday between $18.60 and $19.37. And yeah, against that, we should focus on lower still. Next support or targets down are $17. That's here the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. That's the next key level to watch. And then I've got... Let's maybe establish them again, because while I think all these levels to the downside have been relevant, but with the change in microstructure, we might want to explore if we can add some more info. So, for example, another way of calculating targets would be to take the length of the A wave, and then we go to the high of the B wave there, and then we get, we get the 1-to-1 ratio. I think I did have that actually on the chart. Here is $16, basically $16.16, plus minus a few cents. It will depend on the exchange, but that's a key level to watch, $16.16. Then obviously I've got the retracement levels on the chart anyway. Here $16.94 and $14.97. They've been well known, and this overall B wave can unfold as a B wave, or I will count it as a B wave, as long as price doesn't break below $14.97. So it still has this entire space it can use. Probably going to follow the wedge pattern. A break below the lower boundary line of the wedge could have further bearish implications, to be honest. So just be careful with that. Be aware of that. Another way of measuring would be to take the length of waves 1 through 3. Oh no, because this is a diagonal, so what we can do is we can take the length of just wave 3. The thing is, I have no evidence that wave 4 is complete, but let's just use it at the moment. It is subject to change. And then we've got the 61.8 extension level. That's a key level. That points towards $16.82, so very close to the $17 level. Yeah, I mean, that's anyway a key level. And then we've got $15.60. So I'm not going to add it yet because I have no confirmed high in place for wave 4. So it might shift. Just want to avoid to put temporary targets onto the chart. But that's another level. But it's also within the scope of what the relevant retracement levels, right? So yeah, I think forecast still further downside. It is developing some kind of an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Can you see that? That's basically here with a neckline of the 38.2 retracement. So again, there is a potential for potential reversals, absolutely. But this could just turn into a larger ABC. So this could, like Bitcoin, be an A wave, a B wave down, and a C wave up. So again, as long as we only get 3 waves below resistance, nothing changes. But if I see 5 waves above resistance, so above $19.37, we have we can make a first case that low might be in, and then a 3-wave pullback. Yeah, and this could be another long trade setup here, potentially. Okay, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Today at 8 a.m. Eastern time, we're going to do the CPI preparation live stream. So we have CPI coming out today, of course. So half an hour before that, we'll do the live stream. You'll find the link on the channel. Yeah, just check out our channel in the live stream section. And also, if you're interested in the channel membership, every Sunday we do a weekly live stream. A lot of educational content there, but also we cover requests. Can't guarantee request covering though, because there are just too many. Then we offer a lot of educational material on Discord and Telegram. As a gold member, you get additional short-term market updates. So if you want to be kept up to date, check that out. Yeah, maybe see you there would be great. And if not, then yeah, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.